big news that we're tracking as far as Baba Ramdev, who has reached the top court, is concerned. Remember, this is the contempt case against Patanjali. The Supreme Court lens on Patanjali's misleading ads. The visual that you're seeing is of a while ago where Baba Ramdev did make his appearance in the top court. In fact, Baba Ramdev, Balkrishna reached the Supreme Court, and this is important to remember because Baba Ramdev and Balkrishna were summoned by the Supreme Court. Harish, my colleague, joins me for the latest. Harish, good morning. Clearly, as far as these visuals also concerned of the fact that they have appeared before the top court, what is the key takeaway that we should know about this case that is concerned that now they have made their appearance in the Supreme Court?
Yes, that's right. Big day as far as the Patanjali contempt case is concerned. As you rightly said, just now, in fact, 20 minutes back, complying with the Supreme Court directions, Baba Ramdev and Patanjali Managing Director Acharya Balkrishna has reached Supreme Court ahead of the hearing at 10:30 when the bench, two-judge bench led by Justice Hima Kohli, is expected to ask pointed questions to both Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna as to why they continue to publish misleading advertisements claiming magical cures, magical remedies as far as their medicines are concerned, and also why they had not replied to the contempt notice issued to them on March 21, after which they had to be summoned to the court. Remember, on March 21, the Supreme Court had taken very serious view of the fact that despite repeated orders of the restraint orders of the Supreme Court, the Patanjali continued to publish misleading advertisements regarding their, as far as their medicines are concerned. Not only misleading advertisements claiming magical cures, claiming eradication of diseases like cancer, obesity, asthma, and blood pressure, but also running down the parallel medicine like modern medical stream, chemical-based medicine like allopathy. Supreme Court said, yes, it's okay that you advertise your products, but you cannot go overboard. You cannot publish misleading advertisements, and also you cannot run down any other stream of medicine. That is why we are holding you up for contempt, and despite our repeated directions, you are continuing to publish such advertisements. Remember, the Supreme Court had also had very
Harish,
strong
on that
words
note, I have to
against,
interject you, but appreciate you getting us the
also.
latest. But of course, like you're pointing out, with what had happened initially as well, of course, we'll keep coming back to you for the outcome of this, but let's leave it at that for the moment.